again by SMH. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, ang gagawin natin is unboxing ng ating bag. So, today is December 26. So, kakatapos lang ng Christmas. So, Merry Christmas again from my family to yours. So, ito na po ang ating bag. Charan! This one, nabili siya dito lang sa Philippines. And then, ito yung kanyang paper bag. And then, when you open this one, here. Wait lang. Pabelo tayo. Yan. Ito yung kanyang box. Ang laki, mas malaki pa sa face ko. Ayan, yung kanyang box. At kaya gano'n, no, yung mga luxury things, perfume, or bag, shoes, lagi na lang malalaki yung mga paper bag, tapos malaki din yung box. And then when you open it, alam niyo na kung ano yung laman. So, for example, it's when you buy perfume, luxury perfume, syempre maliit lang. For example, 100 ml. And then, of course, syempre may box siya. So, sakto lang yung box na, diba? And then later on, magkakaroon siya ng paper bag. And then later on again, another paper bag. So, parang ano lang, parang nabibiduhan lang ako kasi parang every luxury bags or items na mabibili ko or nakikita ko na nabibili, laging ang lalaki ng mga paper bag and then ng mga boxes nila. So, parang wala lang. Pero anyway, here's the Louis Vuitton bag or Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton. So, it depends on you on how you pronounce it. Sometimes it depends on the which country you came from. So, pag British siguro, I don't know, it's like Harry Potter. So, this one, when you open the box, you can see this dust bag. And then, we will open it like this. Here. Okay, move backward ako. And then, charan! Here's the bag. And then, charan! Here's the bag. So, makikita mo dito sa front, meron siyang nakalagay na ganito. Tapos may logo siya na Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton. And then, zipper here. So, dalawa siya. Ganyan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa center or side by side. Tapos, ito, magnetic button. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang lagayan dito, bulsa. And then here, wala. Dito lang sa kabilang side. And then, this one at the back. And ito yung sa ilalim niya. Kulay gold yung kanyang ganito. And then, all also, na ng mga ganito niya, baka are all gold. Plated gold, of course. And then, when you open the zipper, makikita nyo ulit doon, meron siyang logo na nakalagay, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Spain. So, yun yung makikita nyo sa kanya dito. And then, of course, nakalimutan ko sabihin, syempre meron siyang here. Yung kanyang love letter. Then, Louis Vuitton also, of course. Louis Vuitton, or Louis Vuitton. And here, kanyang love letter. Then, may letter siya, syempre. Ito yung kanyang authenticity. Nakalagay dito, syempre, kung kailan mo binili. And then, of course, the total amount. And then syempre, nakalagay rin dito kung saan mo siyang bansa nabili. Kung saan, which country mo siya nabili. And then, here also, nakalagay din dito yung kanyang location na branch kung saan mo siya nabili na store. And then, of course, the receipt here. Here's the total amount. And then, here also have the total amount. Here. Yan. Ay, nako. Sige, guys. Oh, ayan na po siya. So, bali, eto yun na yung ating bag. Ang ganda, diba? Kasi pwede mo siyang gawing handbag. And then, pwede ring shoulder bag or body bag or cross bag. Ito. Here. Ito yung handbag. And then, of course, the body bag, the cross bag. And, syempre, adjustable naman to. So, yun. So, yun lang, guys. Napakita ko na sa inyo. At saka na-unbox ko na yung ating bag. my vlog for today. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye!